today's class next chapter 16 चैप्टर 15 इससे नेक्स्ट वीडियो हमने कंप्लीट कर लिया था जिसमें रेट्रो थी और उसके ऑल क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट कर लिए थे। नेक्स्ट चैप्टर 16 डाटा हैंडलिंग। ओके, सो वी विल स्टडी इन दिस चैप्टर रिलेटेड टॉपिक्स की पॉइंट्स डेटा, टाइप्स ऑफ डेटा एंड टाइप्स ऑफ डेटा, प्राइमरी डेटा एंड सेकेंडरी डेटा हैंडलिंग, raw data, array data. Next, third key point, organizing data, table form of data. Next key point, frequency distribution table. Next key point, tally marks, statistics. Next key point, spectrograph, and last key point, bar graphs. Okay, so now we will study key points in chapter 16 data handling. Okay, so one by one यहाँ ये complete करेंगे। what is data, types of data, primary data, secondary data. Okay, then जैसे जैसे नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज आते जाएंगे और हम मैंने मेंशन करते चलेंगे। ओके, बट लेकिन इससे पहले अभी जो बेसिक है इसका बेसिक क्या है इसमें डेटा, टाइप्स ऑफ डेटा। ओके, तो अभी हम केवल इसी की स्टडी करेंगे। ओके, सो पॉज द वीडियो and noted it. Dear students, next topic data. What is data? So data a collection of facts such as numbers, words, measurements, and observations or even just descriptions of things. So next, data, a collection of facts such as numbers, words, measurements, observations or even just descriptions of things. ये हम डेटा किसी को भी कलेक्ट करते हैं तो वेल डिफाइंड कलेक्शंस ऑफ एलिमेंट्स एंड ऑब्जेक्ट्स एंड एनी थिंग्स जो हम पहले थोड़ा सा कलेक्शन कर सके वही क्या होता है हमारा डेटा। अब लाइक एज सच एज कलेक्शन में हम यहाँ पर नंबर्स का भी कलेक्शन कर सकते हैं, वर्ड्स का कलेक्शन कर सकते हैं एंड मेजरमेंट्स, ऑब्जर्वेशंस और इवन जस्ट डिस्क्रिप्शंस ऑफ थिंग्स। ओके, सो डेटा, so types of data. Next, types of data. Types of data. So there are two types of data. Two types of data. First, primary data. Okay, what is primary data? Data collected by the directly is called primary data. Okay, primary data collected by the directly observer is called the primary data. जो भी डेटा डायरेक्टली ऑब्जर्वर के द्वारा कलेक्ट किया जाएगा वही क्या होगा, प्राइमरी डेटा। एंड सेकेंडरी secondary data. Data collected by the external sources. External sources is called the secondary data. Okay. So first primary data, the data collected by the directly observer is called the primary data. Directly अगर जिस observer से collect करेगा कोई भी data होगा, anything, any objects, any elements, तो then वही जो data होगा वही data हमारा क्या होगा, primary data. And next secondary data, what is secondary data? Data is collected by the external sources. जो external sources से जो data collect किया जाएगा उस data को हम क्या कहेंगे, secondary data. Okay, so is called the secondary data. Next topic, data handling. The information in the form of numbers, figures, or names, which is used to find the things and used to make the decisions. Is called data handling. Okay, so next, data handling, the information in the form of numbers, figures or names which is used to find the things and is used to make the decisions is called data handling. Okay, so dear students, pause the video and noted it. Dear students, next topic, raw data and array data. What is raw data? The data that have not been organized or unclassified is called raw data. Okay, in other words, or the data is original form is called raw data. Okay, so raw data that has been not organized or unclassified is called raw data. वह डेटा जिसे हम ऑर्गेनाइज करें और उसे हम क्लासिफाइड करें, ओके, so is called the raw data. Yeah, or the data is original form is called raw data. Next, array data. arrange in ascending order, or descending order. Is called the array data. Okay, so array data, the data is arranged in ascending order or descending order, is called the array data. array data वही होगा जिस डेटा को हम या तो अरेंज करें ascending order में या descending order में, तो then is called array data. Okay, so next topic tally marks. Next topic, dear friends, tally marks. What is tally marks? Are an easy way to represent a number. Represent numbers. Tally marks are always recorded in five bunch. Fifth tally marks is draw diagonally across the first four like as 1, 2, 3, 4. First to 4 diagonally. Okay, diagonally represent to make up fifth tally marks. With the tally marks. Okay, so now we have represented numbers 1 to 10. How is to indicated by tally marks and different numbers? So look here, numbers and tally marks. One. So this is symbol. Okay, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. According to definition, tally marks are always recorded in 5 bunches. Fifth tally marks is draw diagonally across the first 4 like as this. Okay, so fifth tally marks, this is draw first 2 diagonally. Okay, and 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 5 and 6, 7, 6 7 8 okay, and 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. और फिफ्थ इसमें जो 10 मार्क्स इंडिकेट करते हैं उसे क्या बोलते हैं? इसे डायगोनली। ओके, अक्रॉस फर्स्ट टू 4 डायगोनली। सो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, so pause the video, noted it. Dear students, next topic, frequency. What is frequency? So the number of times of particular observations occurs in a data is known as its frequency. Okay, so frequency is the number of times of particular observation. Frequency means many times a letter or a numbers, any objects, any elements many times अगर occur होता है तो वही उसकी क्या होती है? उसकी frequency. The number of times a particular observation occurs in a data is known as its frequency. Okay, next topic, pictograph. Okay, pictograph, the study of numerical data through pictures or figures, or graphs is called the pictorial representation of the data or pictograph. Okay, pictograph, the study of numerical data through pictures or graphs is called the pictorial representation of the data or pictograph. Okay, so pictograph में हम स्टडी क्या करेंगे कि हमें उसमें ऑलरेडी कुछ फिगर्स गिवन रहेंगे, फिगर्स की हमें डेटा कलेक्शन करना है एंड उसे रिप्रेजेंट करना है बाय पिक्टोरियल ग्राफ के थ्रू. ओके, सो बाय पिक्टोरियल ग्राफ के थ्रू हम उसे क्या करेंगे? रिप्रेजेंट. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, dear students, next topic, bar graph. Okay, a bar graph represents numerical data by a number or rectangular bars of equal width and it includes title, horizontal and vertical scales and their labeling. Okay, so a bar graph, dear students, I have recommended you have purchased a bar graph copy. Okay, अब बॉर्डर्स के बीच में इसकी नीड होगी, हम यहाँ पर ये ग्राफिकली रिप्रेजेंटेशन करेंगे. सो देन तुम लोग ग्राफ पर ही जो भी शो करोगे उसे उसी ग्राफ पर ही शो आउट करो। ओके, सो देन नेक्स्ट ये स्टूडेंट्स pause the video and noted it. Okay, dear students, give an example from mathematics book. Marks obtained by the various students in a class. Various students ने marks obtain किए, marks get किए are given below. So the following data using tally marks. Given data हमें represent करना है इसमें tally marks. Okay. So the data tabular form with tally marks. Okay. So given data 60, 60, 70, 80, 60, 90, 70, 60, 90, 80, 70, 80, 60, 80, 60, 90, 90, 80, 70, 60, 80, 70, 80, 90, 80 and 90. Okay, so solve the given data so in tabular form with tally marks. Okay, with tally marks. Or 10 marks, tally marks, and frequency. Obtained marks first, which is less than data, less than marks 60. So 60 out of 60 and given data. So 60 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Okay. So 60 out of is 7 times. So obtained marks 60, tally marks 7. Frequency, how many times of 60 outcome? So 7 times. So 7. So 7 we have represented by the tally marks. So how is to represent by tally marks of 7? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 5 of ones. tally marks के अकॉर्डिंग हम यहाँ पर इसकी डेफिनेशन से पहले हमने जस्ट डेफिनेशन इसकी कंप्लीट की थी। उसमें क्या था कि 5 of ones होता है यहाँ पर। ओके, जो फिफ्थ वाला जो भी हम यहाँ पर ड्रॉ करते हैं उसे क्या करते हैं, डायगोनली उसे ड्रॉ करते हैं फर्स्ट टू फोर्थ। सो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7। ओके, सो ऑब्टेन मार्क्स 60, tally marks by 7, so frequency is 7. Now next 70. How many times of 70 are outcome in given data? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. Okay. So 70 obtained marks 5 students. So we have represented 5 by tally marks. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Next 80. How many outcomes of 80 given data? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. Okay. So 80 marks obtained by 8 students. So we have represented by the tally marks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now 90. How many 90 outcome in given data? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Okay, 6 times. So number of obtained 96 students. So we have represented by the tally marks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and 6. Okay. So given example is here complete. Pause the video and note it. And now these students given example by represented by the pictograph by pictorial representation. So how is to so that so look here, mark the given data shown by the pictorial representation. Okay, so marks obtained number of students okay, so marks obtained 60 marks कितने स्टूडेंट्स ने गेट किए सो 60 outcoming is given data so how many times of 60 outcoming in given data 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 times okay 7 times so 60 outcome in 7 times so 60 नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स तो 60 कितने स्टूडेंट्स ने गेट किए हैं यहां पर मार्क्स सो 7 स्टूडेंट्स कितने ने किए यहां पर 7 स्टूडेंट्स सो वी हैव रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय द पिक्टोरियल ग्राफ बाय द डेफिनेशन ऑफ पिक्टोरियल रिप्रेजेंटेशन या तो हमें से किसी ग्राफ से शो करते हैं या हमें से किसी फिगर से या किसी इमेज से शो करते हैं ओके सो पिक्टोरियल मींस पिक्चर से रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे ओके सो देन तो 60 जो मार्क्स गेट किए हैं कितने नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हैं 7 स्टूडेंट्स ओके सो 7 स्टूडेंट्स बाय द एलिमिनेशन ऑफ स्माइली ओके One, two, three, four, five, 6, so 7 students. One smile is equal 1 student. Okay. Hint. One smile of animation is to equal 1 student. Okay, so number of students 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 students get marks 60 marks okay next 70 how many times is outcoming in given data so 1 2 3 4 5 times okay so 75 times so 5 animation of smile okay 1 2 3 4 5 so 5 students get 70 marks and next 80 outcome is here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 times okay so 80 marks get by students. So 8 students. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so 8 students get marks 80, and now 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 90 marks get by 6 students. So 6 animation. One, two, three, four, five, and 6. Okay. So this is why this is pictorial graph. Okay, and pause the video, note it.